On this episode of Entrepreneur Stories, we're stopping by DESOTEC in Darlington, Pennsylvania. They're an international company whose goal was expansion to the US. But this growth came with challenges. Luckily, with help from CLA, they got the tax and consulting services they needed to succeed.
Our mission it's very simple. It's helping protect the environment, and that might sound a bit corny, but helping to protect it for future generations. What we do is we basically provide circular filtration solutions, and it helps businesses clean their water, clean their air, get rid of any contamination which they have in their processes. It's to help business operate sustainably and future-proof their operations.
So we provide activated carbon mobile filtration solutions, and our filters are used for cleaning an emission source. It could be either air or water, or in some cases it's purifying a part of their manufacturing or production process. We've really engineered the filters to be mobile, and so they work in conjunction with our trailers as well as our systems to exchange the carbon at our location as well as fill them. One of the things that we're able to do is provide really three differentiating things. First, because it's a mobile solution and we own the asset, their initial capital expenditure is zero, and we're able to minimize the overall cost of ownership. The second thing is because we're mobile, we can minimize the downtime by coming in and exchanging the filter. In an exchange process, we can come in and exchange, and we're handling the pollution itself. We bring it back, they don't have to handle it, and then we're able to recycle that carbon and then reuse it. And that way it's a very sustainable process as opposed to taking that pollution and putting it in a landfill or some other way of disposal.
To me, preserve the planet and the environment. Basically, it's what gets us up in the morning. It's the energy which we get out of our business, is knowing that the offer which we made, the shipment which we posted, the truck that went out, all of it somewhere took out something which shouldn't be in the environment, cleaned it up, purified it, and makes that day so much better. It's really a big drive for us. My name is Matt. I'm the CEO for DESOTEC US. I've been with the company for 12 years now, employee number 30, if I'm not mistaken. We're 450 now, so it's been a cool journey, which, long story short, put our European business into the US in June of last year, when we took on our North American excursion. I'm CEO of that division. We are a originally Belgium-found company. Like, Belgium's this very small piece of land in between France, Germany, and the Netherlands. And it's filled with entrepreneurs, just like the founders of DESOTEC, just like our management, and basically everyone who we call Generation D, our employees. And that entrepreneurial team spirit, that mindset, pushed us across the Atlantic. There's three core values to everything which we do. It's teamwork, devotion, and excellence. Teamwork is really big in a growth organization. That teamwork and devotion are two crucially intertwined elements. And the last one, excellence, it has a dual meaning to it. Like excellence, we want to do the thing which is right, and we want to do the things in the right way. We had the acquisition that was going for us, 3 locations across different US states, about 100 employees. We took over an existing business, but we're building. We're hiring fast, we're acquiring new customers, we're investing a lot of capital into the organization, and we're lucky to have someone like CLA to support us in that acceleration.
CLA is the 8th largest professional services firm with more than 130 locations in the United States, and we are part of the CLA Global Network. CLA is a one-stop shop for businesses looking to enter the United States. The consequences of not doing things correct from the beginning can be quite large, whether it's penalties, fines, even just lost business revenue because you didn't have the right insurance policies in place or anything like that. So it means a lot to be able to support them, and as we see our clients grow and at DESOTEC grow, it's just amazing.
I think it's really a part of our DNA at DESOTEC is this mission that we're really providing sustainable solutions and helping our customers comply with regulations, minimize their carbon footprint, and minimize their emissions into air or water. So we feel like that's a very noble mission and one that the whole company believes in.
We've done something that actually makes the world better. It is something which does drive yourself as an individual. It just makes you happy knowing that you did your part.